Hey guys, we're gonna answer some questions today. To talk to you ladies. It's gonna be a who, what, where, when, and why. There's like a hair stuck in my face. Answer the age-old question, who am I? Grab some coffee, maybe some popcorn, grab a snack, and I'll let you know how and why I became a developer. So I am amberdecoded. I've started this journey of software engineer. What is a software engineer? What do they do? Well, we go by many different names. It's almost like we're the devil, Satan. And a couple of the names are software developer, software engineer, coder, web designer, Satan, web developer. Just kidding. We are not the devil. So what we are and what I do is I develop web applications. It's hard. Very, very challenging, but also very rewarding. It's a very rewarding career. Now, I wasn't always a software engineer. Now, I don't have the computer science degree that a lot of people look for or need. So I am considered a self-taught or a non-traditional developer. You have to be kind of motivated and really dedicated to the skill set that is needed. This career requires a lot of love of learning. I feel like that's the number one skill set that you may need if you want to go into this career. Now, I have gained so much love for this career that I want to share it with people like you. Come and join my world. Take the red pill or the blue. Which would you like? This is a perfect career for women. And why? Why? Because you can have a family. If you're looking to travel, you can travel. Now, I'm not trying to exclude you guys because I love you too. But I'm trying to get the women on board, and I'm trying to let's get more of a different perspective when we have those board meetings. When we look in the room, love to see more people who have the perspective of a female. And that isn't to say that the male perspective isn't valuable, but it is to say that you guys have it. You're already there. Bring some more single ladies. I'm just kidding. Bring some more women on board. How do you become a developer? There's so many paths. So you can go the path of self-learning or self-taught, which can be a little bit difficult because you have to be very, very dedicated, very, very disciplined. Now, the only person who can tell you what style is you. You are the determinant of your boat or your ship. If you know your learning style, you know you learn better in a classroom setting, then I would recommend you try maybe a boot camp. Or you can try to take some classes online and enroll in your local colleges and see what kind of classes they have for programming. Now, I also would say that if you have an interest, do it on the side. Try it any way you can, because this career is just so awesome, amazing. What else do I like to do? I love yoga. It is one of my passions. I love the philosophy. I'm definitely an avid learner. I'm still not where I want to be. Hair in my face. Can you please not? Thanks. It's awesome. I love doing it, and it has helped me gain focus, stay on track. So good for your overall mental state of health. I love cooking. Now you guys are going to start seeing my videos and my bits and bites segment where you can follow me on my cooking journey. I don't always get everything right. I don't always follow the recipes, but still tastes good. To kind of invite the question and ask, why are women not in this field? We disproportionately in this field. Here I am talking to you guys to become interested.